How can AI improve the cash flow management in large companies?
With AI, what you can do very easily. मैंने एक बार किया था. I was just evaluating a tenant. And I said, अपनी bank statements भेजो मुझे. I cannot just take anybody and bank statements भेजी उसने. And then I put it through AI, right? And what happened is वो उसने बताया कि देखो इसके unscheduled expenses आ रहे हैं. He doesn't have a fixed salary coming in every month. So it has done all the analysis on that and given me a summary. Right? Similarly, once you have bank statements and access to that, you can track, इस company का, Diwali के आसपास, they need a lot of working capital. But then come December, there's a lot of cash. They have 6 months of cash surplus and then 3 months of cash deficit.
Can AI use to reduce the cost of financial management?
Everything. Yeah, because if you know what you're going to do, like 3 months में you need the cash, and you won't you won't invest that cash somewhere and then borrow a loan for 8%, 9%, 10%, or actually all corporate के लिए 13% पे मिलेगा. उसको deposit पे मिल रहा है 6%. So he's losing money. So he'll keep that money and then use it. They can do all that, and every company can do it. But I don't think people are doing it. But how many CFOs have put their statements into the GPT? I don't know. I don't think so many.
Watch the full video on AI and finance. Press the subscribe button down below. Cheers.